everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it's not working in Dead by Daylight on your PC. We'll go through a couple of Steam controller settings that often resolve controller detection and input issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change the Steam input setting. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Dead by Daylight. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the left-hand menu, click on Controller. Find the Override for Dead by Daylight drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller is working. If the issue hasn't been resolved, close the game and return to the same controller settings. This time, change the Override for Dead by Daylight option to Disable Steam Input. Launch the game again and see if your controller is detected correctly. Solution 2. Configure Steam controller settings. If your controller still isn't working, open Steam again. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Open the Controller section. Click Show Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only the controller support that matches the controller you're using. If you're using an Xbox controller, locate Steam Input for Xbox controllers and enable it. If it was already enabled and your controller still isn't working, try disabling it instead and test the game again. If you're using a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation controller support. Start by selecting Not Enabled. If that doesn't work, change it to Enable in games without support and try launching the game again. If you're using a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, configure the corresponding Steam input option in the same way. If you're using an Xbox controller, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver, which may improve controller compatibility in some games. Once you finish making the changes, close the settings window and launch Dead by Daylight again to see if the controller is working properly. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix your controller if it's not working in Dead by Daylight on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Dead by Daylight tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.